Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver side doors. Okay, front and back door are in good condition. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine, no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, looking at the trunk, everything is perfect. Also, the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Okay, front and back door are perfect. No scratches or dents at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks very good. Do not see any scratches on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, let's have a look at the door panel. It looks perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, this door panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear at all. Also, car console navigation, backup camera as well. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.